Missy Bobo. I am the owner of Thumb Roast Coffee and all its subsidiaries, and I am excited to announce our newest marketing campaign all around how do you pour love. A little bit about us and how we got started. We started 7 years ago. We just celebrated our 7th anniversary, and we got started because we love coffee, but we also love our bodies. So not having anywhere at the time to get natural, locally roasted, non-synthetically flavored, high quality coffee, we started our own company. And our mission has been to provide that coffee to everybody that wants it, whether you're a business, whether you're a person. We started as a wholesale company, and we had the little shop on Wells Street, and there were many days where people wouldn't come in, and we just kind of stuck it out because we knew that the community would love this once they found out about us. And so little by little, they started trickling in, and then we expanded in 2019 into a bigger building and a more downtown area. And then in 2020, we expanded into our Sandusky location. It's all in an effort to provide something that is wonderfully tasting and good for your body and helps people around the world, farmers directly, as all the coffee we buy is specialty grade and directly from the farmers as much as possible. So we only buy coffee that is the top 3% in the world. If it doesn't pass that test, we don't buy it, we don't sell it. And then trying to work with farmers as much as possible. All in an effort to show the world around us love through this wonderful thing called coffee. And so we're starting this marketing campaign of how do you show love through coffee called How Do You Pour Love? We want to be inspired. We want to be inspiration for others of how do you use coffee to show someone else love? How do you just show someone else love, period, not even through coffee? How are you showing yourself love? How are you showing people around you love? How can we use coffee as a means to show this world around us love? How we're doing it is making sure that we buy the best quality coffee, that it's roasted specifically to your specifications, to what you want. We don't just roast one way, we roast to what your desire is. Then taking it one step further and offering it to businesses and to the communities through our coffee shops, through our retail stores, through our online stores, and gift shops and other coffee shops, providing that to other people for them to serve to their customers. But now we want to take it a step further, and we want to ask you, how are you showing someone else love through coffee? Maybe it's a get together. Hey, let's get together for coffee. Maybe it's my coffee, maybe it's not. Maybe it's someone else's coffee, doesn't matter. How are you using coffee to show someone else love? Are you buying it for a host gift for Thanksgiving? Are you taking a friend a cup of coffee that has just had it rough the past few days or weeks or months? Are you taking that time for yourself in the moment, that 5 minutes just to drink that special cup of coffee that's just not feeding a habit, it just feels good, that first sip in the morning of something special, something that you chose. You show yourself love. Let's band together as a coffee community and show our world that we love them, that we love each other, that we want to make sure that people know that love is important. We're not only doing that for the people around us in our community, but the communities halfway around the world. These farmers that are impacted from the purchase of coffee at the rates that we're purchasing them, instead of them getting cents on the dollar that they normally would get, they're paid a livable wage by us purchasing their coffee, which then shows them love, which then shows their family love and their community love. So impacting people halfway around the world. That's changing things. Showing love and being intentional with showing love is important. And so we make coffee for people that know that they matter and the world around them matters. So join us in this campaign of how do you pour love to show love to yourself and those around you.